Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 76 right here. We have our parts, and it looks like we're going to start building the front of the body panels here, but I also see those hex screws we were using to hold the dome panels in place, so we may have to pull the dome out too. But let's go ahead and crack this open. Let's see what we got. And here are the parts we get with this issue. We've got the left front body panel, and we've got the shoulder seal, the exhaust grill and shell, as well as the front external grills, and the plate, a bunch of screws, and some more of these Allen screws that are indeed for the domes. We're going to need to pull that out in just a bit. Alright, to begin, we're going to take the grill here and the plate, and just like before, make sure the writing is facing towards you, and just slide it all together just like so. And it's going to go right in here. We've got the tabs, we've got the holes. Let's see if these fit in a little easier than the last ones. And it does! Nice! And two 4mm black screws to hold it in place. Alright, and there it is, sitting pretty. And for this next bit, we're going to need 3 of the 6mm black screws, 2.3 millimeters wide. I believe these are the ones that came with this issue, so it should be nice and easy. We'll take this piece here, and we're just going to slide that puppy in. It is symmetrical, so it doesn't really matter which direction. One screw here in the back to hold it in place. Alright, and with that done, we'll take the panel here, we'll flip it over, and this flat edge here is going to go towards the right when you slip it over the posts, just like that, and 2 more 6mm screws to hold it in place. Alright, look at that. Just plain old looking awesome. And now we've got the shoulder seal here, and just like before, it's going to slide in and not be screwed. It's just going to hold in place, and it does hold just like all of the rest. And that is looking wonderful. This actually completes this panel, and now it's time to bring out the dome. Alright, as expected, these hex screws are going to go in the dome, and if you're following along, this is where we ended last time a while back, and we've got 6 more holes just moving along to the left, and that's where those 6 screws are going to go. Alright, look at that. We have 3 more screws in and holding those plates in place, and things are looking beautiful. Alright, issue 76 is complete. A whole new piece of the dome panels here, or excuse me, the body panels here, and a little bit on the interior of the dome. It was nice pulling this out again. It's been a little while since we've seen it. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.